Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a journal in OneNote. This is a fantastic way to organize your thoughts, daily entries, or personal reflections using professionally designed templates that make journaling both easy and visually appealing. Let's jump right in and get your journal set up. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Once you've launched the application, give it a moment to fully load your notebook. This ensures all your sections and pages are accessible and ready for editing. OneNote organizes everything into notebooks, sections, and pages, so make sure you're in the notebook where you want your journal to live. Once your notebook has been loaded, creating a journal in OneNote is actually pretty straightforward. Look at the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. This ribbon contains all the formatting and organizational features you'll need. From here, click on the Insert menu. This menu is your gateway to adding various elements to your OneNote pages, from images and tables to specialized templates. From the Insert menu, you'll see all the available options for adding elements and formatting your OneNote page. Now, to create a journal, simply look for the Page Templates drop-down and click on it. You'll notice this option gives you access to pre-designed layouts that can save you tons of time. At the very bottom of this drop-down, click on Page Templates again. This action will open up a more detailed selection. A right side menu will appear, and from here you'll be presented with several page design categories. These templates are organized into different types to suit various needs. Simply click on the drop-down arrows from all the available template types. You'll see categories like academic, business, decorative, and planners. Each category serves a different purpose, but for journaling, you'll want to focus on the decorative section. The decorative category offers more of a journal type of page with elegant designs and layouts. Click on it to expand the options available within this category. You'll see multiple journal templates, each with its own aesthetic and structure. Take a moment to browse through them and find one that resonates with your personal style. Simply click on the design you wish to use, and you'll immediately see your page transform into a journal-type layout, complete with its specific design elements. And there you have it. You've successfully created a journal page in OneNote using the built-in templates, giving you a beautiful and functional space to record your thoughts and experiences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.